Hey everyone, Coach Doug here. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever heard someone say, I'm a hands-on leader? And what they really mean is, I need to be involved in everything. There's a fine line between being hands-on and being a micromanager. And if you're not careful, you can cross that line without even realizing it. As business owners and leaders, we want to stay connected to our people and our business. That's a good thing. But being hands-on doesn't mean having your fingerprints on every decision, every email, every project, and every problem. In fact, I'd argue that the best hands-on leaders aren't control freaks at all. They're teachers and they're system builders. Think about it this way. A micromanager creates dependence. Every question comes back to them. Every decision gets routed through them. Their team becomes hesitant because they're constantly worried about maybe doing something wrong. But a hands-on leader does something different. They invest time teaching people how to think, not just what to do. They coach, they mentor. They ask questions. They help their team develop the skills and confidence needed to make decisions on their own. That's leadership. And then there's the second piece, systems. John Maxwell says that everything rises and falls on leadership. I'd add that sustainable leadership requires systems. If your business only works when you're in the room, you've built dependence, not leadership. Strong leaders create systems that define expectations, establish accountability, and allow people to succeed without constant supervision. The goal isn't to make yourself more necessary. The goal is to make your team more capable. When you teach people and build systems, something incredible happens. Your team grows, your culture strengthens, and you create the freedom to focus on higher level leadership instead of putting out fires on a daily basis. So here's my challenge for you this week. Ask yourself, where am I being hands-on and where am I micromanaging? Is there a task you need to stop controlling and start teaching? Is there a process that needs a system instead of your constant involvement? Because the strongest leaders aren't the ones doing everything. They're the ones developing people and building systems that allow everyone to perform at their best. And that's how great businesses grow. If anything I shared today resonated with you, let's connect. I'd love to hear about the leadership challenges you're facing and help you find a path forward. You can reach me directly at dougsavidge@actioncoach.com. Until next time, have a great day, everyone. Take care.